Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to export Altium PCB to JLCPCB. Alright, so open your project and select tools right over here at the top, and then design rule check. Click run design rule check to catch any layout violations before manufacturing. Okay. Now next thing what we are going to do is go to the files here at the top, and then fabrication outputs, and you will choose Gerber files. So now in the general tab, set units to inches or millimeters. So I will leave it in millimeters. Then format, we can you can set a resolution right here. So this 0.01 is basically 2 to 5. Now what we have, we in the layer tab right here, you can click here on the plot layers and choose used on to safely include active layers. So select all, we can do that. All right, and then you can just click apply to render the vector files. All right, like that. All right, so the step number 3 is now basically we need to generate NC drill files. So we go again to the file, back to our PCB, to the file fabrication outputs, and then we will choose NC drill files, which are over here, just like that. Again, here you will set how you like it, units and format. Then I usually leave it like it is right now and just click OK. Again, one time OK. Now you can see we have NC drill file right over here now available. Now what we need to do is right click any newly generated document inside Altium project tree and choose export. If it doesn't go like that, what we are going to do is basically Ctrl S to save it, just like so. And now let's say I will save it here in this folder, and this one also, like so, and hit save. All right, now we just need to find it, this file folder. All right, so now what we are going to do is basically, we will compress that into a zip or RAR file. So let's do that. Select both of them, compress to zip file, Gerber, like that right here, as you can see this file now. And yeah, what we need to do now is going here to this web page of JLCPCB, and we will go here to the get instant quote, just like that. And now we will drag this file right in here, just like that. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do to export Altium PCB to JLCB. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.